Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life. Welcome back to my channel. This is one of the videos for how to kill a kid with style, and there's my sketch. And here I go. So the sketch is from Christina Davison. Let me grab the paper to make sure. It's the Creating Sketches Volume 3. And it's on page 9. And here you'll see every once in a while some blue little papers coming in. My daughter's in my craft room, and I filmed this on Sunday, and this is going up on a Monday. So if you've watched my Insta stories, they're probably still up there. It's my daughter making her own traveler's notebook in my room while I am scrapping. Or while I'm filming this. So I'm sorry if there's a couple of dead spots here and there. I just decided to leave it all in because you know what? We all have kiddos, and they all sooner or later are going to grow up and not want to be with their mommies in their own little craft rooms. They're going to be off doing something. So I just left it in. So you'll see it every once in a while where a big old blue piece of paper comes in. And I do follow this sketch really, really close. When I get into like funk of mojo, this is what I do. I go to my sketches from Christine Davison and pull one out and just start to go to town on them, because I'll do like 1 or 2 layouts with a sketch because I do love her sketches. And so there I am. I'm just finishing out. So it's kind of like a T that it is in there, or an L, depending on how you want to look at it. And I'm going through my How to Kill a Kit with Style, my Christmas in July kit that I put together, and I think that's the last blue one you'll see me do, but I could be wrong. So I think this is layout number 4 or 5. There are a couple of layouts that I did not do on camera because they are my little like 2x2, or like my 4.5 by 6 protectives that I just put together because I didn't want to make a big old 12 by 12 layout with it. But I wanted to make sure that they ended up being in my December daily book. So I did some of those. So this is going up on Monday. After I get done, I'm gonna do another layout, and that will go up on Tuesday. And then Tuesday afternoon, I'm going to have my layout share, because Wednesday's August 1, and then you'll get to see what I'm working on for the month of August. That's already scheduled and ready to go, and I'm pretty excited. Back to this layout. Here I am. I'm just putting all of these papers together. I wanted to go black, and I did it. I'm getting pretty low on papers and stuff for my How to Kill a Kit with Style for the December daily, and I may have to just quit because I need to collect some more collections that I can be able to do not only the rest of 2017 December daily that I have. And remember, my December dailies are more of a December documented. I don't have things every day like most people do. I scrap and I take pictures of what I know is important to my family. And so it's more of a December documented series type thing. And this particular one, not sure what day it was in December, but this is my daughter's Christmas concert for school. And she had to pick out a red sweater. And she decided to pick out this one, and she had to wear jeans and boots. That was kind of the how do you want to put it, the request for what the kids needed to wear. And I backed one of them up on foam tape, and then the other one I kind of tilted because my daughter is one spunky little girl, let me tell you. She wanted pigtails, she wanted to wear her boots, she wanted to look like a cowgirl. She definitely doesn't look like one in here, but she's certainly trying it. And she's so tall. Like, she is my tall. She's not even 4 months into being 5, and she's this tall. In like 3 weeks-ish, she will turn 6. we start school on the 6th of August, and she will still be 5 when she starts first grade, but then about 2 weeks into the first year, or for first year, she will be 6 then. So she's definitely my young and little first grader, but she's definitely keeps me on my toes. Okay, there in the sketch, there's a bunch of frames in there, and I decided to take 2 off of this December Days collection that I have in this How to Kill a Kit with Style, and put up some frames. So I cut one in half and kind of diagonal it on my page, and then this other one I left completely full because it's kind of, they have 3 in the sketch. If you look at the picture that was on the one side versus the sketch, and I just decided to mimic that pretty closely on that part. So here's the sweater. Like I said, she needed to wear a red sweater, so I saved this sweater purposely for this layout. I know she's not wearing a sweater, but it's red and she was supposed to, and she picked out this, and I wasn't going to argue because it's still red and she matches what they told me. I was fine with that and content. And now I'm just placing embellishments. Make sure that you go check out everybody else. I will link everybody down below as well, just so that you can see who's still, hanging in there and all that kind of stuff on doing this. They are doing a lot of videos. Some don't do a lot of process videos, but the layout share is where everybody is definitely showing all of their layouts that they've made with the kits. And mine's going to come up on Tuesday, a little bit after my layout that I'm placing on Tuesday that I'm going to do, because I wanted to get one more December one, because I realized that after I get this layout done that I just did, and then the layout that I'm going to do for Tuesday done, I will be halfway done for my 2017, which I can do in November to get me prepped and ready for December, because I do have some good things that are coming out in the month of December that will be able to let me knock out all of my Christmas market pictures. And like I said, I think I've hit like 10 in the 3 years that I was there, and I haven't scrapped all of them yet. There are still some that I've missed. So I'm wanting to get those done. I would love to. That's like my goal for November, December, is to get those done. I'm not even really worried about my December documenting, because I do a lot of that in the next year, because I don't want to be stressing out that I'm not doing the year that we're in for December daily. I like to be a year behind, only because it makes it easier for me to collect the collections that I want, and then print off the pictures and do something like this, or kind of go into January, because we're in that hype yet of it, or we're sick of it, depending on how much videos we're doing of red, green, and yellow or black or brown or whatever colors that may get bored. Here I am, I'm just placing a bunch of different stuff. I took off that gather sign because it wasn't right. Here I am, I'm doing my splattering, and I'm going to leave you with the splatters. Make sure you go check everybody out. I will have another layout share or layout tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and my layout share will come out in the afternoon. And then August is around the corner, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!